people ask, what is Forex trading? How do I start Forex trading? And is Forex trading profitable? And what are the advantages of Forex trading? Welcome to my channel. My name is Popo from Popo Online. If you don't want to miss any of my videos about online entrepreneurship, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So let's get started. What is Forex trading? So let's first look at what Forex is. Forex is a foreign exchange market. That is, it is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies like British pounds, US dollars, and many other currencies. And this marketplace is decentralized. This actually means that there is no physical place where traders go to trade these national currencies. So actually, this is you can access the foreign exchange market using a cell phone, a computer, or any other gadget you might use. That's all about Forex. Now when it comes to Forex trading, you are now buying and selling these national currencies on the foreign exchange market, mainly with the objective of making profit, as the prices will keep changing, rising and falling. Let me take a local example. Let's say you want to travel to South Africa and you have US dollars. You have to go to a forex market and convert your US dollars to South African rands. That's actually where the sense of forex trading is. When you do that, you have participated in forex trading. So where does the profits come from? The traders buy these currencies at a lower price and sell these currencies at a higher price. I can relate this to farming. Let's say, for example, during the harvesting time of maize, everyone might have maize and the price of maize is going to be low. That is when you buy the maize crops, then stock it. So when the summertime comes, everyone might have sold these maize crops and the price of maize is going to rise. That is when you sell these maize. So when it comes to forex trading, you put your capital, you buy a currency when you believe its value is going to rise against other currencies. So, and you sell when you believe that its price is going to fall against other currencies. So that is where you make profits. So the question comes, what do you need to start forex trading? It's not like you need an arc of trading screens. So let's discuss about the things you need. So the first thing I'm gonna emphasize to you guys is you should have knowledge. You should know what you are doing. Actually, you should learn before you earn. You should not just rush into trading thinking you could make that money easily. You may lose all the money. Take your time, guys, to know these things, to know where to place my trades. You may make a lot of profits if you know what you are doing. So many traders lack knowledge, so you should learn before you jump into trading. Another thing you need is the community, where you can ask people, what do I do after this? So I've created a WhatsApp group, a Facebook group, a Telegram group, so I'll add the link in the description. That is where you get the knowledge, guys. Please, I'm emphasizing knowledge before you start doing the trading things. So the next thing you need is a trading strategy. You should have a strategy where to place my trade or something like that. So I have created a WhatsApp group where we discuss all these strategies and apply them to real trading, to real cash trading. So the important things you need, guys, to start forex trading is an internet connection, a smartphone or a computer. I prefer you to use a computer because you have a better view. So on internet connection, guys, you need a very good internet connection because those poor internet connections wanna distract you and destroy things, you know. So I prefer you to use a good internet connection. So another important thing you need to have is a broker. A broker, it is where you deposit your money, either trade or something like that, then withdraw your money. So some of the brokers that you might choose are XNet, Just Forex, Super Forex, XM, and Deriv. So Deriv is the broker that I'm gonna be using because with the Deriv you can deposit and withdraw using EcoCash, CP, and debit cards. So I'm gonna make a series of videos of how to use Deriv. So the last thing you need to have is trading capital. You need money to do this. It's not like the money is going to float into your pocket, guys. So actually I chose Deriv as the broker because you can deposit with a minimum of $US to start trading. So you might need to know what are the advantages of forex trading. The first advantage is you can trade 5 days a week, 24 hours per day. That is, the market is open for 24 hours from Monday to Friday. So another advantage is you can use leverage. The brokers have a thing called leverage. Leverage, that is, you may deposit $1 and you might make up to $1,000. So that about leverage. So there is another advantage, which is high liquidity. This actually means that you can manage when to close the market at a specific profit, when to close the market again when it reaches a specific amount of loss. So another advantage is there are low barriers on the market. You don't need a large capital to start trading, guys. You may use your little money from dollar, guys, using Jerry. So it's not like you need $1,000 or 100 something billion dollars to start trading, guys. So another advantage is you can practice using virtual money. So on these brokers, you can practice how and when to trade using money from a demonstration account, which is called a demo account. So the last and funny advantage is that you can trade anywhere in the world, guys. You may trade at your home place where you are surrounded by thatched huts, or you can trade at your home where there are skyscrapers. So don't worry about this, guys. You may trade anywhere. You may trade in the mountain where there is sufficient network, guys. So another question that might come into your mind is that, are there no chances of losing money? My answer is yes, chances of losing money are there, mostly if you do things that you don't know. Because actually the brokers themselves say that trade the money that you are ready to lose. Don't risk your funds, guys. Don't risk the funds you are not ready to lose, guys. Because actually don't go into credits, because you may end up in huge credits. So actually when you are trading, the sense is when you win, the broker is lost the money, and when you lose, the broker is gained the money. So guys, don't go into credits. So I have added the link in the description if you want to start forex trading with Deriv. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any video that I'm gonna provide for you about online entrepreneurship.